earbud sound testing? No, I'm doing another video. Let's turn that up a little. Sound pretty decent. I'm going to test how this little fan motor will sound now. So, I need to stop this. I like to pull this back because I'm not going to be using the earbuds anymore. Now I'm going to be using a fan motor. Now it's definitely not going to be as loud. Now this is going to be irritating because I can't edit in YouTube because the Android software says a battery too low to run camera, so I have to be using this other software, and I just have a stop option and they're not splitting this because I had to connect a few cables. So I'm going to try to improvise with my feet here because I don't have a quad grip or something that I could use to do the holding for me, so I'll have to do it. Okay, the fan motor's all wired up, and I'm going to turn it on. Sounds really bad and distorted. Yeah, but I think it's just a fan motor because I have done other motors that... No, I don't want to connect to the Apple TV. So that's just me getting frustrated. Down. That's it for this test because the fan motor testing failed, so bye again. I've done this testing.